itong bata.
Come here, baby, baby.
Talagang wala.
Wala sa likod.
Oh, sa kabil, sa likod.
Okay, sawat yan. Here, here.
Ka.
Mm.
Oh, there, oh, you see.
Oh, see?
Teka mo na.
Did you see? Hindi maalis ang ano.
Ano ba? Kasi dumapan.
Yeah.
Napakalikot. Oh, likot. Oh.
Kasabay awang, pate.
Ay, nako.
Kasi, pero ang kamay mo.
Napakalikot naman.
Oh.
Yan.
See?
Kakaunti na, oh.
Kakaunti na
wala
ang akin na hearing.
If it's stuck there.
See, if
Wala
it's stuck
na.
then, that's where the
Phlegm.
Oh, here.
the pilay is. Yun, the bayawang.
Hari tsaka hari,
Kasi sa ano yata, baka siya sa bamboo.
hari, oh. Hari,
Hari ang
Yeah, that's a lot.
Oh.
Abay kanginay all over.
I always
The other
hear
one
it.
is here.
Come on, baby.
Wala, hari laang at saka hari,
Okay, di sasandali na. Oh. Ay wala, pangalawa lang ang iyan. Hindi.
It's okay, baby. It's just a massage.
Hindi naman iniririin.
No.
No. Rin lugar na rin. Yan na, nung una kong hagurin, nakikiliti.
Kangina. Tawa ng tawa.
Natatawa.
Aba siguro nagiginhawahan.
Yun ang masarap.
Humidifier.
Ayan ang masarap.
No, we only use it
Sandali na lang.
No more cough.
because when he was getting sick, so that's when we used to give
Yeah, he's not
humidifier.
going to have a cough anymore. The reason why he has a cough is because of that.
No, the nurse said he had a mild cold, wasn't it?
No, that's via email. She hasn't seen the baby.
Okay.
It was from what I was telling her.
Ooh. Oh, kiliti. Kinikiliti ka.
That must feel good.
Okay, done.
See, now I'm
Done.
telling you, it's by this because I can hear it.